In this video, I am going to tell you how to automatically update content of your Lovable website through GitHub, which is I hosted on Vercel. So I will use the example of Vercel here. So first of all, I will open my Lovable, and let me also open my Vercel account. So I have linked an existing my project here. I have deployed it through GitHub. In my previous video, you can see how I did it. So let me open my this application, Resume Analyzer 52 on Vercel, which was created on Lovable only using GitHub push. So let me open this link and show you how this Resume Analyzer app works. So let me show you. So this is the Resume Analyzer. You can see it is completely created on Lovable app, and I will make changes in this, and it is properly not working. Let me upload any resume here. Let me upload one is resume. You can see, let me upload this resume. You can see this language is changed. Actually my resume content is in English, so its language is changed. So I want to make it properly. So here in Lovable, you can see all your projects here. Just tap on your all projects and find out the current project. This was that project. Let me open this project. Till that time, you can take the screenshot of this with arrow showing, and you can simply paste it here at the error and ask Lovable to make the changes and correct this. So simply paste this here. So I've simply written this unable to read my Word file and showing my language differently. Now I have to send it and make the changes. So you can see now it is showing, it is properly showing my doc and not by binary language. So let me publish it now. So now data is up to date. Let me view this. Let me copy the URL and see whether it is working or not. So let me upload my one resume, upload doc file. Now you can see it is reading my language. It is not in binary. You can see now English is showing. Now but it is in Lovable URL. So I need to push it to my Vercel through GitHub. So how I will do it? Let me go to my Lovable once again. So I need to first push it to my GitHub repository. Click here in this code word. I already linked my GitHub account here. So first I need to push it to my GitHub. Click on this connectors option. Click on all connectors. Search here GitHub. Click on this GitHub API. Click on this option sync my code. So it will automatically sync your code to your GitHub repository. Click on this two-way. As you can see, it is connected here. So it is now synced to my GitHub account. Now I need to go to my Vercel account again. You can see this is my project in Vercel. Just open this. I have also linked my GitHub here and deployed GitHub repository only. So click on this connect GitHub repository. Click on done. So let me now again try to upload my resume on Vercel. So let's see whether it's connected or not. Let me upload my resume. Now you can see it has already showing my data. Everything is fetched automatically in my Vercel app. So I hope friends, now you will be able to see this auto sync, and it is automatically changed everything. I have not done anything, and through GitHub only it made all the changes, and now language is showing properly. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just click on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.